Do you want to meet some new friends? If you do, then go download the Venn app. It's the best way to meet new friends.
So what exactly is Venn? Venn is the Norwegian word for friend. And that's no real coincidence, since it was created in Norway and it has become a very popular way to meet new people. And now it's gaining popularity in the United States as well. So I was asked to try this app out by the developer. So let me share with you my experience while using the Venn app meeting new friends. The first thing you need to do is create a profile. This will become extremely helpful later on. Here you can upload a photo of yourself, and you can give a little personal information as well, as much as you feel comfortable telling. Next, you pick from a list of activities you like doing. Your friends will be picked based on the activities that you pick that they share as well. So go down the drop down list and select very carefully the things that you like doing. And the friends you'll be able to meet later on will have the same interests as you. The first time I did this, I didn't click on as many options as I should have. So when I went to search for friends later on, I didn't get any results. So my suggestion is to don't rush through this. Look over it very carefully. Select as many things that you think that matches to your personality or your likes. Now you're ready to be connected with new friends. Some of y'all may be familiar the way this app works, since you swipe left to right and up and down to view the profiles. Although it may look like a dating app, I assure you it's not. It's an app where people of all age groups can meet and enjoy each other's company or share their life experiences. I recently had a chance to talk with the founder and CEO of Venn, and this is what he had to say.
Human beings are fundamentally social creatures, and through the journey of life, we regularly find ourselves in situations where we would like to get acquainted with new people. Very early stage in life, we find it natural to walk up to random people and say hi, or just ask the other kids in the street if we can join their soccer game. It's kind of one of the most natural things in life. But as we grow older, we create these mental barriers where we find it difficult to ask people if they want to hang out or if they want to be friends. The fact is that even though it's getting more challenging to get acquainted with new friends, people will always need people, and this is just how humans work. And even though not all people are a good match personality-wise, there are friends out there for everyone. But the tricky part is finding them. And this is what we're trying to achieve with Venn. Make it easier for our users to meet interesting people and do fun stuff together. We want to offer our users several ways of meeting new friends, both getting acquainted on a one-to-one basis or through an activity as part of a larger group.
With other social media apps, people are consumed with likes and being accepted. But the truth is, you can have thousands of followers and friends online and still be alone by yourself. So don't let this happen to you. Download the Venn app for free on Google Play.